At 4, more riveting testimony in the murder trial of Alex Murdaugh. Testimony continues in Colleton County. Prosecutors are continuing to make their case that Alex Murdaugh killed his wife Maggie and son Paul in June of 2021. The defense working to prove his innocence, saying Murdaugh was a loving husband and father. Well, WSAV's Andrew Davis has been in the courtroom throughout the trial, and Andrew is joining us now live from outside the courthouse with why today was a good day for prosecutors. Andrew?
And Tina, it absolutely was a good day. He at least started that way for prosecutors, as after more than 3 days of testimony without a jury, Judge Newman officially ruled that financial crimes evidence against Alex Murdaugh will be allowed to be heard by this jury and allowed in this murder trial. This came earlier this morning, right after Mallory Beach's family's attorney took the stand.
The Beach family stood on a causeway for 8 days while their daughter's body was in the water. I don't know that there's any amount of money that somebody would willingly take to go through what they've gone through.
How much money it would take to dismiss the family's lawsuit against Alex Murdaugh, but it didn't matter. They made no offers to settle the civil suit connected to the boat crash that killed Mallory Beach back in 2019. Tinsley said Murdaugh confronted him on at least one occasion, upset about the fact that they were still friends, and yet he was suing Alex personally. Murdaugh claimed he was broke, underinsured, and he only had $500,000 worth of coverage for any settlement that might be made. Tinsley said he didn't believe him for 1 second.
There were 50 cases on the roster. In Hampton, Alex may have had 50 or 60 of those percent of those cases. And so they're actively being settled. I know that he's actively making money, and you just can't possibly be broke if you're making money, not the way he was making money.
Yeah, that's right. Tinsley went on to say that Alex Murdaugh was hiding money at this point to protect it from any civil case that he was involved to. Now from there, some of Paul's good friends testified this afternoon, along with the caretaker for Alex's mother, who talked about a blue tarp that was found right there at that house. We're going to have more on the financial crimes, what those testimonies mean, as well as information from our legal expert about what this could mean now and even for an appeal in the future. In Walterboro, I'm Andrew Davis. Back to you.
Andrew, thank you. No. WSAV will be there throughout the trial with continuing coverage both on air, online, and on the WSAV app. To stay up to date, just go to WSAV.com/Murdaugh.